Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add background music in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut. Then, tap New Project. Then choose the video you want to add background music to. Then tap Add. At the bottom toolbar, tap on Audio. You'll see several options. Sounds, use CapCut built-in music library, Extracted, pull audio from a video on your device, then VoiceOver, record your own audio in real time. Then, tap Sounds to browse CapCut music collections. Then, you can explore categories like trending, vlog, happy, and etc. Tap the play icon to preview a track. Then, when you find one you like, tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Then, tap on the music track in the timeline. You can trim, adjust the volume, fade in and fade out, and split or delete parts as needed. And this is how it look like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.